Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Today we have something special for you. So stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. SRRDA Meghalaya Recruitment 2025. Application are invited from interested candidates in standard form for the assistant engineer and junior engineer. Posts to implement the Pradhan Mantri Grain Sadak Yajana, PMGSY, scheme in Meghalaya by State Rural Roads Development Agency, SRRDA. The last date for submission of the application is December 6, 2025. One post name, Assistant Engineer. Number of posts, 11. Place of posting, 6 posts in Williamnagar, 4 posts in Tura, and 1 post in Jaintia Hills District. Age limit, as per Government of Meghalaya norms. Salary, 25,000 per month, consolidated. Essential qualification, degree in civil engineering or its equivalent. Experience, preference will be given to those having experience. 2. Post name, junior engineer. Number of posts, 26. Place of posting, 8 posts in Williamnagar, 8 posts in Tura, 4 posts in East Khasi Hills, 2 posts in West Khasi Hills, 2 posts in Bhoi and 2 posts in Jaintia Hills District. Age limit, as per Government of Meghalaya norms. Salary, 15,000 per month, consolidated. Essential qualification, Diploma in civil engineering. Experience, preference will be given to those having experience. How to apply for SRRDA Meghalaya Recruitment 2025. Assistant and junior engineer. Interested and eligible candidates may submit their application in standard form to the Office of the Chief Engineer, PMGSY, PWD, Roads, Cum Empowered Officer, SRRDA, Meghalaya, Shillong on or before the 12th of June 20225 at 4 p.m. Applicants are requested to mention the contacts, WhatsApp's number and email address in the application form. Application should carry full particulars to be accompanied by all testimonials of age, conduct, and academic qualification. Experience certificate, if any. SC/SD certificate, if any. 2 passport-size photographs. The posts will involve extensive traveling, and only candidates willing to undertake such travel should apply. Those who wish to apply are advised to go through the SRRDA Meghalaya Recruitment 2025 Assistant and Junior Engineer Official Notification.